Let us solve this question. This one says that two alloys are mixed. In the first contains copper and zinc in the ratio of 5:3. So you have got two things, copper and zinc in the ratio of 5:3 in the very first one. What is going to happen in the second one? In the second one, the problem says that they are in the ratio of 7:5. In the second alloy, copper and zinc are in 7:5 ratio. Problem says in what ratio you should be mixing 1 and 2, so that in the final mixture, copper and zinc, they are going to be in the ratio of 6:4. Copper and zinc are in the ratio of the 6:4. So let us focus on the zinc. I am assuming that you have done my mixture and alligation classes. If you have not done, please do not worry. We will do this in the class. Now, since you are writing the assessment test, please watch this very carefully. I am going to be utilizing the concept of alligation. Zinc, sorry, my bad, is 3/8 of the total. Zinc over here is 5/12 of the total. How am I getting the denominator? Sum of these two. And over here it is going to be 4 divided by 4 plus 6, which is 10, which is 2/5 of the total. Are you getting that? So I have got mixture 1, mixture 2, and then again the total mixture and the total mixture. That comes out as how much? In the very first one, zinc is 3/8 of the total. In the second one, zinc is 5/12 of the total. And in the total mixture, it is 2/5 of the total. What is that we should be doing? We should be applying the concept of alligation over here. So I will write this negative this over there. 5/12 minus 2/5. And over here it is going to be how much? 2/5 minus 3/8. And in this ratio, these two should be mixed so that in the final one, you have got copper and zinc in the ratio of 6:4. Simplify kar lete hain na. So this is 5 and 12, this is 60, isn't it? And then this is 5, 5, 25, and then this is 24. Over here, this is 40. 8 2s are 16, negative 5 3s are 15. So what is the ratio that you are getting here? If you look at it, your ratio comes out as, over here, this is 1/60 and this is 1/40. Simplify kar lete hain isko. What is that you should do? 40:60. 40:60 is in what ratio you should be doing this? 2:3. If you understood, that is fine. If you do not understand, that is also fine, because we are going to be teaching you when you will be in the classroom. Mixture alligation is something which is really simple if you do it from the basics, right?